Best Frame Storyboard mode allows you to do analysis on a video that is the result of editing several clips, like this one, and for each sequence, find the best frame. Open Best Frame, click on New Document, and drag the file to the screen. In the dialog box, select Storyboard. The application analyzes the whole movie, taking significantly more time, especially if the video is quite long. Once the analysis is finished, the application behaves exactly as when a single clip video is loaded. However, at the bottom, the found frames are sorted temporally. To sort the frames by score, click this icon here. Select all the frames with this button and click the Export button to save them all. During the analysis, content classification is also performed for the frames found. This means that keywords are associated with each image, and the keywords for each frame are highlighted in this box. You can search for frames by keywords in the search bar. In the preferences, you can also turn on the analysis of written text. If on-screen writings appear in the frames, they are scanned and stored in tags and are automatically searchable. By hovering the cursor over the tags, the window shows, vertically divided in two, first the keywords found from the subject analysis and, below, the scanned texts. Learn more about Best Frame at ultite.media/bestframe.